Hi guys, in this video let's talk about the highest common factor of numbers. So let's take two numbers. The numbers are 8 and 12. Now let's write the factors of 8. So 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 doesn't really come. So now 4. We already used 4 here. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Now let's find the factors of 12. 1 times 12 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. 4. We already used 4. These are the factors of 12. Now let's find the common factors. So the common factors 1, 2, and 4. Now let's write the common factors for both of these numbers here. So 1, 2, and 4. The highest common factor is 4. That means the highest common factor of 8 and 12 is 4, which is equal to HCF, which stands for highest common factor. This method takes a long time. Is there any easier way to do it? Now, let's take 8 and 12 again. So, 8 and 12. Now, let's find the prime number factors for 8. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So these are the prime number factors for 8. Now, let's find the prime number factors for 12. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Now, let's group both of them. So 2 can be grouped by 2. And this 2 can be grouped by 2. 2 and 3 cannot be grouped because they're not the same number. Okay, so now let's write both of the group numbers here. So 2 and 2. Now let's multiply them to find the highest common factor. So 2 times 2 is 4. The highest common factor is 4. Do you think this method was faster? Yeah, I think so. Because we do less writing and smaller multiplication and no division. Now, let's take another example. So, it's 60 and 42. Now, let's find the factors for 60. 1 times 60 is 60. 2 times 30 is 60. 3 times 20 is 60. 4 times 15 is 60. And 5 times 12 is 60. And 6 times 10 is 60. And we can't do 7 or 8. Okay, so these are the factors of 60. They're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. Now let's find the factors of 42. 1 times 42 is 42. 2 times 21 is 42. 3 times 14 is 42. We can't do 4 because 4 times 10 is 40, 4 times 11 is 44. We can't do 5 because 5 can only be divided by numbers that end with a 0 or a 5. We 6 times 7 is 42. We already used it here. That means that's it. The factors of 42 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. Now, let's group them. So, 1, 2, 3, 6, and that's it. Now, let's write the common factors here. 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, now, the highest common factor is 6. That means the highest common factor of 60 and 42 is 6. You see again, this method is taking a long time again. Let's try the other method. Now, let's take 60 and 42 again. 60 and 42. Now, let's find the prime number factors of 60. So first, let's write the prime numbers from 1 to 10. 2, 3, 5, and 7. Now let's write 60 here. Now, can 2 be divided by 60? Yes. That equals 30. Can 2 be divided by 30? Can 30 be divided by 2? Yes. That means 15. Can 15 be divided by 2? No. Can 15 be divided by 3? Yes. That's 5. Can 5 be divided by 3? No. Can 5 be divided by 5? No. Can 5 be divided by 7? Nope. So, these are the prime number factors of 60. 2, 2, 3, and 5. The same way, let's find the prime number factors for 42. So, 2, 3, 5, 7, 42. So, 42 can be divided by 2, which is 21. 21 cannot be divided by 2. 21 can be divided by 3, which is 7. 3 cannot be divided by 7. 7 cannot be divided by 5. 7 cannot be divided by 7. These are the prime number factors of 42. So there are 2, 3, and 7. Now let's group them. So 2, and there's no 2 here. 3, and 5. So there's no 5 here. Now let's write both of these numbers. So 2 and 3. Now let's multiply them. 2 times 3 is 6. The highest common factor of 60 and 42 is 6. This method is much faster, right? And it's also error-free and super easy. Now, let's do it for 3 of these numbers. So, let's find prime number factors for 36. So, 2, 3, 5, 7. 36 can be divided by 2, which is 18. 18 can be divided by 2, which is 9. 9 cannot be divided by 2. 9 can be divided by 3, which is 3. 3 cannot be divided by 3. 3 cannot be divided by 5. 3 cannot be divided by 7. These are the common factors of 36. They're 2, 2, 3, and 3 again. Now let's find the common factors for 90. Okay, so now 2, 3, 5, 7. So now let's write 90 here. 90 can be divided by 2, which is 45. 45 cannot be divided by 2. 45 can be divided by 3, which is 15. 15 can be divided by 3, which is 5. 5 cannot be divided by 3, 5 cannot be divided by 5, 5 cannot be divided by 7. These are the prime number factors of 90. So there are 2, 3, and 3 again, and 5. Now, let's find the prime number factors of 42. So 2, 3, 5, 7. 42. 42 divided by 2 is 21. 21 cannot be divided by 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 cannot be divided by 3. 7 cannot be divided by 5. 7 cannot be divided by 7. These are the prime number factors of 42. So 2, 3, 7. Now, let's group them. So 2, and there's no 2 here. 3, there's 3 over here, but there's a 3 over here. And that's it. So now let's write both of these numbers here. 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now, the highest common factor for 36, 90, and 42 are 6. Now it's your turn. Find the highest common factor for 12 and 15 and put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe us and do math every day.